Hello, my dear students. A beautiful morning to you. Children, how do you do? Hope you are doing good. Welcome back to next part of my video on division. Today, I am going to explain about terms of division and the division of two-digit number by one-digit number. Before we start the class, let us quickly revise the concept once. What is division? The process of sharing objects into equal groups is called division. In other terms, we can say repeated subtraction of the same number is called division. From the above examples, we can conclude some points. Observe clearly. If a number is divided by the same number, the answer is 1. Like 21 divided by 21 equals to 1. Next one. If 0 is divided by any number, the answer is 0. Let us see the example. 0 divided by 32 equals to 0. If any number is divided by 1, the answer is the same number. Let us see the example. 54 divided by 1 equals to 54. These are properties of division. Now, we will see how to do division of two-digit number by one-digit number. Before that, let us see the terms of division. Terms of division. We know the symbol for division is divided by. For example, 15 divided by 3 equals to 5. In this, 15 is said to be dividend, 3 is said to be divisor, and 5 is quotient. Let me explain about the terms. Here is the division problem. Just like multiplication, the numbers used in division also having some names. Today we are going to learn the names. The 15 in this problem is called dividend. The dividend is the number that you are dividing. So, let's think in this example, we have 15 pence. Means the 15 pence are dividend. The number 3 in the problem is called divisor. This is the number we are dividing by. The divisor takes the dividend and breaks into smaller groups. In this problem, let's say we have 3 kids and they want to share the 15 pence among them. After sharing the pence, each kid gets 5 pence. The number 5 is called as quotient. This is the number we get after dividing the dividend by divisor. In this example, 15 pence are the dividend and we need to share them between 3 kids. The 3 kids are divisor. The pence are split evenly into groups of 5. This answer 5 is called as quotient. There are several ways to write the division problem. Let's take a quick look. This is the first way to show the division problem. In this, we will write the division problem using division symbol. In this problem, 15 divided by 3 equals to 5. 15 is dividend, 3 is divisor and 5 is quotient, which is the answer. Here is the second method. This division problem is exactly the same as the above. In this method, we show division using division bar. 15 is dividend and it is up above the division bar. 3 is divisor and it is below the division bar. 5 is quotient. The number above the division bar is also known as numerator and the number below the division bar is said to be denominator. In this method, we show division using division box or division brackets. The both are same. Any one we can use. The 15 is dividend inside the division box and 3 is the divisor. 5 above the division box is quotient and also known as answer. Division of 2-digit number by 1-digit number. There are 5 steps to simple division. Let us see these steps while finding quotient for 56 divided by 2. Let us see the steps. Step 1. Compare the digits. Step 2. Divide. Step 3. Multiply. Step 4. Subtract. Step 5. Bring down the next digit. After bringing down the digit, we repeat steps 1 to 5 again till there are no more digits to bring down. 56 divided by 2. Here we are using division brackets to show division. Step 1 is to compare the digits. We compare the leftmost digit of the dividend with the divisor. Here the leftmost digit is the digit in tens place, that is 5. 5 is greater than 2. Therefore, we can divide 5 by 2. Next, step 2 is doing the division. Here, as the divisor is 2, we use the multiplication table of 2's to find a product which is equal to or less than and nearest to the digit of dividend, that is 5. So, the nearest product is 4. Hence, we write 2 in right side bracket of 56. Step 3. Step 3 is to multiply 2 by 2. As we know, 2 into 2 equals to 4. We write the number 4 in the tens column under 5. Step 4 is to subtract 4 from 5, which is equal to 1. We write this 1 in tens column. Step 5 is to bring down the next digit, that is 6. After bringing down the digit, we repeat steps 1 to 5 again till there are no more digits to bring down. Next, bring down the next digit 6. Then here we are getting 16. Next, see the multiplication table of 2 where we are getting 16. 2 8s are 16. So that 8 we can write in the right side bracket. 16 we can write down of 16 and subtract. 16 minus 16 we will get 0. Here this 0 is said to be remainder. Let us see another problem which is having a remainder. 94 divided by 5. To show this division, here I am using division box. The dividend 94 can be written in the division box and 5 divisor left of the division box. Now 9 is greater than 5. So we can divide. Let us see 5 table where we will get the number near to 9 or equal to 9. 5 ones are 5. So 5 is near to 9. Then 1 we can write above the division box and 5 ones are 5 we will write down of 9 and subtract. 9 minus 5 we will get 4. Next get down the next digit 4. Then here we will get 44. Again go to 5 table and check where we will get the number near or less than to 44. Here 5 8s are 40. So it is less than and near to 44. So then 5 8s are 40. Then subtract. While subtracting, here we are getting 4. That means here the remainder is 4. By observing the problems, we can say that the remainder is 0 or any non-zero number. Do you know, children? We can also check our calculation. All we have to do is use the following relation. Dividend equals to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Now let us check the example here. Look at the example just now we completed. 94 divided by 5. Here 94 is dividend and 5 is divisor. After doing the division, we got the quotient here 18 and the remainder is 4. Now we will check our problem. Let us take quotient into divisor plus remainder, that equals to, here what is the quotient? 18 multiplied by divisor. Divisor is what? 5. 5 plus what is the remainder here? 4. So 18 into 5 plus 4. First multiply 18 into 5. 18 5s are 90 plus 4, which is nothing but 94. 94 is our dividend. Children, I hope you understand the terms of division and how to divide 2-digit number by 1-digit number. In next video, we will meet again with another topic. Thank you for watching.